Hey Eric, did you mow the lawn yet?
There's nothing more frustrating than going out to mow the lawn and have no gas. Doesn't matter if I'm using the string trimmer or whatever. If I'm out of fuel, now what am I doing? I'm driving to the gas station when I'm supposed to be doing my yard work. That's why I'm going all battery. I'm gonna go with Greenworks. First off, I like this thing because you can really work around the yard a little earlier in the morning, a little later in the day without making the neighbors mad. It's so quiet. All you hear is the blade cutting the grass. No gas mower, no muffler, and of course, no fumes. Here's what I love about the Greenworks outdoor system here for doing all your lawn care needs. Doesn't matter if it's the lawnmower, the leaf blower, the string trimmer, it runs on one battery system. So you can tool up with everything you need to do the project and use one battery. And if you got a bigger lawn, don't worry, they're all interchangeable. You'll never run out of juice for that project. You know, it doesn't matter how you want to cut your grass. If you've got grass you want to shoot out the side, they have a side discharge. If you want to bag it, they've got a bagger. If you want to recycle it and mulch it in your lawn, they've got the plug for that too. Any way you want to cut your grass, it's all in one package. With electric, you were stuck with one option, running a big cord around your house, and you were lucky not to cut it with the lawnmower when you're mowing the grass. There's no cords, there's no nothing. You plug it in, you charge it when you're done. The next time, you're ready to use it. It's that simple.